Okay, all right. Good morning, everyone, or depending on the time you are watching this video. Now, okay, this is the beginner steps in Canva design with your smartphone. So, actually, you can actually use your smartphone or your laptop for this Canva design. So, if you want to start graphic design or motion design, this is a very used Canva. You can see this Canva here. So that's the app we'll be using. So if you haven't downloaded it before, just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download the app. So we will be making use of these three major apps. So you can get ready, just install it down. This is your Canva, the CapCut, and then the ChatGPT. So we'll be making use of it later on. But the one we are using right now is the Canva app. So let me launch my app. Now you see on this Canva app, you have two different we have so many things we can use this Canva for. There are so many things you can use it for. You can use it to make designs, you can use it to make video motion graphics, you can use it to create ebook format. So there are so many things that I can't even mention it all. So you can also see that there are some resume, like when you are creating a CV, you can use it to create a CV. You can also use it to create a phone wallpaper, and then document. You can also use it to create a logo. So there are so many things. So we'll be touching each of those, how to use this Canva to design so many other things. So we'll be touching it as time goes on in other videos. But also you can see that we can also use it to make a presentation. You can use it to create a poster, invitation, flyer, and so many other things. You can also use it to create a wedding card, as you can see. So there are so many templates you can use this Canva for. So that's just brief about what we can use Canva to do. We can use it for so many things, but your own part is that just focus on one niche, and then as time goes on, you develop yourself with other niches like that. So now I'll be taking you in the process of creating a how to choose size of various sizes in Canva. So if you want to start your project, just click on this purple plus here, so you can create a size. So we have so many templates of sizes that we can use. So once you create it, you can see this custom size. You can see this custom size. So the main reason why this Canva is actually suitable is that you can use it as an edit template. So you can edit some templates that are available on the Canva and then edit it to your own taste. That's why there are so many other app or other software you can use it to design, but as for now, Canva is still the most suitable app you can use to design online. So okay, we can choose various sizes. We have this thing, so we have so many measurements we can use for. So you see PX stand for pixel. So which means when you are creating a flyer, flyer for phone or for laptop, that it is only for virtual use. So you are going to use this pixel. Inches. The second one is inches. The inches is for you if you want to create a banner, like maybe you are printing your work after you designing it, so you make use of inches. And then we have millimeter and then centimeter. We don't normally use these two things. It's only the first two, the pixel and the inches, that we make use of. So I'll be using pixel. So for pixel, you can use different various sizes, so depending on how you want it. If you want your flyer to be in a rectangular shape, that means this the size of the width will be lesser than the size of the height. So if you want it to be in the same size of a square shape, that means both the width and the height must be the same value. So you can start your work with 2000 by 2000. Minimum is 1000, so 2000 by 2000. So that means we are using rectangular shape, or let's say 3000 by 4000. So that means you are using a rectangular shape, but it is in vertical line and vertical shape. So you understand that. So but if you are using inches, inches stand for um you can use 5 inches by 5 inches. So 5 inches by 5 inches, or you can use 3 inches by 5 inches. You can use, so that's that on sizing. So and then, okay, let's proceed. That's that on sizing. So and then millimeter, you can also use millimeter in various inches, but then we are not making use of millimeter here. We'll be making use of pixel. So to create a blank shape, or to create a blank canva, just let's say we are using 3000 by 3000 sizing. So okay, let's create a new design. So we are creating a new blank canva. So you just make sure that your internet connection is well loaded. Now as you can see, the blank canva has been created. So automatically it will bring some template that you can use to design. It will bring some templates that are available in that size that you can use to design. So let's say we are not actually using any templates here right now. Okay, let's say we want to design a flyer. Just type it business flyer. So it will give you some different templates available for you, as you can see. So you can use different templates for it. So depending on your station, so whatever you are chat station on, so just niche down to it. Now okay, you click on this blank shape. After clicking on it, so you want to give it a color. You can see this color here, down here. So click on it. So you choose your preference color. You can choose black, you can choose red, you can choose different color, just blue and the likes. So if you don't want see the kind of color you want to use here, you can just click on this plus button, then you manually select the color you want, drag it to the left or right, so you see different kind of color that are available that you can choose. So you can see, then you can also use this one to highlight where you want your color to be. So either you want it light or deep, or dark deep. So I hope you should understand it like that. So I will be making use of a blue color. So there, in the project that you'll be doing, I will want you to choose your own brand color, and then you you choose your brand color, then you will write text. Okay, this is my own brand color. I'm choosing blue as my brand color, and that is my official brand color. So let me choose the original blue. You can edit the color very well to your own. So that's that. And then okay, after that you can move to the next tools, which is test. So you click on the test. That is, we want to type something. So there are so many various text templates you can use. There are so many text templates you can use. But then I always use this default text, which is this add to heading. So I will be using this, and then maybe let's say I want to type okay, my business brand name is Clarity. So let me see that, type clarity mindset. Clarity mindset. So just highlight the text, highlight it all to cancel this one. We don't want to. So I'll select it all and then type your word clarity mind mindset. So that's just that. So let me reduce the size. For you to reduce the size, you select the text and then you manually drag it lower size or higher size. So you can do that, then adjust it to the same center. So if you want to change the font of this text, because I don't like this font, so you click on this font tools here down here, you click on font, and then you can see different font templates that are available. So let's use this. You can see that the font has been changed. You can see so these are some different, so you can search thing. There are so many fonts, so you just need to choose your own font that is suitable for the kind of design you are making. Just make sure you choose a real nice font. So I'm choosing this. Let me choose this and then drag it. You can increase the size. So this is what I want you to do now. I will want you to create a color and choose a well combined color. You can see that I'm using a blue color with a white text. Now I will also want you to do the same by using the same color, and then choose your own brand name. Choose your own brand color and choose your own brand name. So this is how we can type in our text, and how we can create our shape and sizing. So for you to in what is it called? For you to download your work, you see this top arrow here. Top arrow, just click on it. Click on the top arrow and click on download. So you can see it will give you can download in JPEG or PNG. So let's say we are using JPEG. I'll be using JPEG. So for you, because you are using a Canva free, I'm actually using Canva Pro because I do a monthly subscription on it. If you also want to get the Canva Pro, you can reach out to me. It is just 1,000 naira for now. So if you want to get the Canva Pro, a monthly subscription, instead of paying 2,400, 2,700 on the Canva Pro directly, I'll be giving you access to it monthly for just 1,000 naira. So that's that on how you can use your Canva Pro. Now, so after selecting the JPEG, the file you want, then you click on download. Click download. So it will automatically, you just need to wait for it to process. It will automatically download. Then let's wait for it to download. So as you can see, it has been downloaded. So this is where we'll be. Let's check it on our gallery. Once you are done with it, just check it on your gallery. Just check it on your gallery. So this is it. I've created my brand name. So I will want you also to create your own brand name, your brand color with your brand name. Use your own brand name. Don't use my own. So then send the result to my DM. So no, send it to the group. So for other people to see. Thank you for watching. This is where we are stopping. Wait for the next class. Thank you.